Hello, hello. Welcome to a little demo of a new tool I just built called Quat Trak. The initial idea for this was I was playing some like online ranked games, and I noticed that like there's a casual version and then there's like a ranked version, and I was like, that'd be a cool idea to apply to volleyball, specifically Tuesday pickups. Have things be a little bit more organized for people who want to measure competitive stats. It could be a good place to measure all that. So this is what I built. Let's go through here real quick. This first V1 version, the main goal, I'm trying to keep it as simple as possible because this can get very complex. The goal is if you have X amount of people on the court, it can automatically draw up a fair game. You never have to make the decision like, are these teams fair? This can do it for you, as well as tracking some other stuff. So this is like the initial foot in the door. Um, so this is basically what there would be an iPad. Sorry, I can't use an iPad, but gotta use my computer to record audio. But this would be an iPad screen, and you would check in. So let's say that Alice, Bob, Charlie, and Dana are checking into this net. So now we can generate a match for these four people to play in. So if you see this, if you don't know what ELO is, it's like just a way to it's originally designed for chess, but it's a way to like if you win this match against someone you're much better than, you get less points. If you beat someone who's better than you get more points. It's kind of like a way to rank based off of it's a weighted way to rank based off of who your opponent is and what your current score is. Um, so right here, usually you wouldn't know that like Bob and Charlie should play together because they have more middle, and then Alice and Dana should play together because they have more further apart elo. But if we go to generate a match for this, we'll pick twos, and we'll just auto draft it. See it put Bob and Charlie together and Alice and Dana. So this is the second view. This happens when you go over to here to matches. So you can pick who won and who lost. Shows what elo points they did. You can also manually pick, like let's say Bob wants to go to Dana now, go with Dana now, and Alice is with Charlie. Generate a new game, say they win, yada yada yada. You can also do same teams. So let's see some more people get here. So even Frank show up. We can generate a match for these players, and we'll do 3 this time, and we'll do manual pick. So I'll put Alice, Bob, Eve's new, so I'll put him there, and then Frank, Dana, and Charlie on this team. And if you saw that there, we've got error handling so that it can't start a match if there's not enough people there. It's each team's thing. But then we can start the match, we can record a winner. Right now I'm not counting score because this is just pretty bare bones simple. But this is it. It's basically just a way to track how you're doing, who's winning and losing, and then it assigns this elo, which is like a ranking number. So this is the view that would be on the iPad. The secondary view is this, and this is phone view. So on here you can see who is on what net. So let's say you're driving to pick up and you want to see who all's there. This could let you see who's playing. And then we also have our leaderboard here, which tracks everyone win-losses over time. Um, and then if you click on one of these users, so let's say we want to see Charlie, you can see all their games, how much they lost elo or gained it based off of win-losses, who they played with. So yeah, this is the original idea. This is the version that I just showed to Carlo. Talked about potentially making a tournament flow for this. Should be pretty similar. We just need to take this game winning, losing logic, which we're already finding, and then add it to a tournament sort of structure. So it could be round robin, or double elimination or single elimination tournament. So that's what we're going to build next. But brief demo of what we got. Thanks for coming along and watching. Toodaloo.